Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem that many video editors encounter. The challenge we're facing revolves around using FFmpeg Drawtext to add text to a video within a specific time frame. The current setup works fine, but here's the catch: we want to introduce a slick sliding effect to the text. Imagine the text smoothly gliding from the right side of the screen to a desired position, rather than just abruptly appearing. This sliding effect should only last for the first second within the specified time frame, after which the text remains static for the rest of the duration. It's a small tweak that can make a big difference in the overall visual appeal of your videos. Now, onto the solution that will help us achieve this slide effect seamlessly. The key here is to utilize two Drawtext filters, one for the sliding motion and the other for the stationary display. By combining these filters strategically, we can create the desired effect. The code snippet we'll be working with is as follows. Play F lavi, I color equals blue. S equals 800 x 400, Drawtext equals text equals my text. Font size equals 44. Font equals Arial black. Font color equals white x sad face WTW, T asterisk, WTW21, Y sad face HT2, enable equals between T, 0, 1. Drawtext equals text equals my text. Font size equals 44. Font equals Arial black. Font color equals white x sad face WTW, 2. Y sad face HT2. Enable equals between T, 1, 15. In this snippet, we're setting up the text width, height, and positioning based on the video dimensions. The sliding effect is created by dynamically adjusting the x-coordinate of the text during the initial phase, followed by a static display for the remainder of the duration. To sum it up, we cracked the code on how to seamlessly slide text onto your videos using FFmpeg Drawtext. By implementing this dual Drawtext filter approach, you can add a professional touch to your video projects. So, go ahead, give it a try, and watch your text glide in a place like a pro. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. And as always, stay tuned for more video editing tips and tricks.